What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change the iPhone 6 Plus screen in under 5 minutes. Let's do it real quick. Alright, so we're going to start off immediately taking off the bottom screws. I'm going to try to hurry up. Under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes. There we go. Turn off the phone real quick. Which, that's just delaying me because you can just take off the battery. For this video I should have just done the battery method. Okay. Under 5 minutes, people. Maybe I'll angle it better. There you go. And this is in real time. I'm not gonna edit it, so you guys can really see that even with the intro and everything, and my slight pauses and stuff like that, I was able to do it under 5 minutes. I've never done this. I never timed me. I just have faith in myself and in this repair. Alright, so we're going to do the home button. But, I mean, some people might think this is cheating, but it's not, because you can prepare yourself to do whatever you want in life. In this case, I prepared myself with a ready screen. Okay, so here's my ready screen. I have a speaker already and everything. Bam. And this is taking me longer. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, there you go. Plug it in. Cool, clicked on good. Home button connector, home button shield. I did test that his screen was working, the touch was still good, but it did have some yellow spots. I'm still going to put it for recycle and see what happens. I forgot to get this screw out. Alright. Let's plug her in. Okay. There you go. I might have to cut the intro. That's not fair. The intro shouldn't count. There you go. I'm just gonna go with my gut here and put everything back on. Sorry if you guys couldn't see it earlier. We're probably like at 4 minutes and 30 seconds now. But like I said, I'm going to cut the intro if I have to, because I really want to make this under 5 minute video. I'm going to turn it on. There it is. I'll start putting the screws while it's booting. Alright. go. Bottom screws are going next and final. Alright, and there you go. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's working. No, I messed up. Alright. Fail. That was an epic fail, guys. Epic fail. I'm still gonna post this up and then I'll put the real one. What happened here? Home button didn't like me. What's going on, home button? Yep, I knew that home button was. Alright, I'm still gonna post it as an epic fail. Gosh, this freaking home button, dude, really? Oh, that's what happens. See? There's a freaking piece of glass stuck on there. That's what happens when you don't pay attention to the little things. That stinks. It would have probably been under 5 minutes. So I am going to post this as an epic fail. But I'm going to do this again. And there you go. Now the home button works. This should have been a under 5 minute video, man. That freaking home button had a piece of glass stuck on it. Gosh. Alright. Everything looks good. Everything looks flush. Touch works. There we go. And there it is. And that's how you fix a phone in under 5 minutes. Fail.